In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create a zip file to email multiple files in one attachment in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I have here an example important files or a file folder which contains all of the important data that I have in order to email it as one attachment. Okay, so in your case, you have to select that important files or the files that contains all of the data that you would like to email in one attachment. And once you have selected it, you need to make a right click here. The moment you do it, you need to proceed with show more options and kindly wait until you will able to get a list of the option and go with send to and go with compressed zipped folder. The moment you do it, you would be able to create a zipped file. Okay, and this contains all of the data or the text or the documents that you would like to email as one attachment with. Once you're good, please bring up your Gmail. And from here, you need to click on Compose and you would be able to get this small window. So proceed to this kind of icon, attach files, click on it, and eventually you would be able to open up a location where you get to choose your file folder. Just navigate to the desktop to where your important files has been placed and go with the zip file, okay, which contains the my important files in my case. So click on open and eventually it would be pasted here, okay. So we just have to wait until this would be pasted here, and once it is being pasted, you can now add or type here at a message that you would like to type and go with the subject and go with the recipient. So just type the receiver here or type the email of the receiver here, input here, and just put a subject for easy identification and type a message here that you would like to type with and go with send. And in that way, you would be able to send it using or that you would be able to send your zip file, which contains all of the multiple files or the data that you have saved here in the zip file. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.